Hey everybody, the first thing I did for this project was to cut out some Victorian silhouettes on my Cricut. You can find silhouettes online, and if you don't have a Cricut, you can cut them out yourself. I cut mine in cardstock, but you could easily cut them in acetate. You'll need a gel press and some plastic wrap to get the textures that I'm making today. Once you have your silhouettes ready, place them on the gel press plate. Next, apply a layer of paint to the plate using a brayer. I'm starting with a white Amsterdam acrylic. Here I'm crumpling up a magazine page and stamping it on my gel press just to get some texture going. Take a piece of plastic wrap and crumple it up before laying it over the painted surface. This will create interesting textures as the paint interacts with the wrinkles in the wrap. Remove the plastic wrap and then the silhouettes. Let the paint dry on the gel press, and then we're going to add some color over the top. Combining Victorian silhouettes with plastic wrap and a gel press can create stunning and unique art pieces. This layering technique not only enhances visual depth, but it also allows for spontaneous creativity. Each print will yield different results. And finally, the printed pieces can be used as visual narratives, each print telling a story through its composition and texture, inviting viewers to interpret the relationship between the silhouettes and their surroundings. This method encourages exploration of visual themes such as history and nature, while providing an experience that engages both you as the artist and the audience. Here I'm mixing white and cobalt blue to get a nice ombre effect from dark to light. You always want to wait at least 3 or 4 minutes to let the first layer of paint dry before you add the second layer of paint. For this last technique, I'm leaving the plastic wrap on the gel press and painting over the plastic wrap. I actually love this technique the best. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.